Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add family members in Spotify Premium. First, head into your account page in your Spotify account. After clicking this Spotify account page, you will see this screen. And then you just need to scroll down to see the Manage Your Family account. Click the Go button in this interface and it will show you the current existing members of your Spotify Premium. As you can see here, there are already 4 enjoyers of this Spotify Premium. In order to add another one or invite someone, click the Invite Someone button and then it will send a notification or an email to them. As an invitee, you should accept this invitation by logging in and confirming your address. And that's it. Now you can all listen and enjoy your Spotify Premium in all of your devices. And that's how you can add family members in your Spotify Premium, and thank you for listening.